my God. I don't know if I should laugh or if I should be crying right now. So I've got, all right, this is where we're at right now. This is the handle. It's going to be there. This is going to be cut off. Right now I have to drill the hole all the way through this. That's it. That's all I have to do. So I'm really excited. I shouldn't say that. As you can tell from my demeanor, I'm pretty frantic right now, but it's like I'm happy. I'm Sometimes you spend all of your time setting up for the shot to do the thing and you lose the part. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's like in a vise. And it's a little piece of purple heart. Oh dear. Where did I put it? Like seriously, did you see where I put it? Would you believe me if I told you that this isn't the first time that this has happened to me? Alright, I'm turning off all the important cameras until I just don't. Oh my God. I don't know if I should laugh or if I should be crying right now. I'm gonna have to like look back and see that footage. But I literally lost. I can't make this up. This is how crazy I am right now. Oh, all right. Okay, so now you have a proper metric for where I am mentally. Okay, now I can turn on. I can't believe I did that.